What's up everyone, I am Jamie with freelittlegoats.com. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Every Saturday we put out a new soaping video with some random vlogs throughout the week as well. And if you've been around for a while, welcome back. I'm glad to see you as always. So spring is finally sprung and I am ready for summer, and so I want to make a delicious smelling soap that just smells like summer to me. It's called Citrus and Cilantro and I am absolutely in love with it. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright y'all, so since summer is right around the corner, it's time to start making some summer soaps for the farmer's market. And the first one I'm going to be making is a citrus and cilantro blend. It's supposed to play really nice in cold processed soap and it smells really good. For the colors, I'm using a combination of emerald green mica from Crafter's Choice and a little bit of Force of Nature from Nurture Soap. And then I'm also using some yellow pet canary and just a smidgen of Full Throttle. I like using the neons in them just to give them a little bit of a color boost. And then it's raining still, so hopefully it's not too bad in the microphone. And then I'm going to maybe, I haven't decided, use a little bit of the Siesta Sunset Orange from Crafter's Choice. I have it mixed up. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. I've got my oils all ready to go. I've got kaolin clay, goat milk, and some beer powder in here. So I'm going to give this a quick mix, make sure there's no lumps of that, and then we will get started. Please don't fall over. Okay, I'm going to strain my lye water solution just because I do have a little bit of lye lip, which is fine. But I have the ability to strain it, so I'm going to. Alright, so let's get this mixed and bring it to a very light trace because y'all know me. If it's going to go wrong, it's going to go wrong for me. So a very light trace. Let's get going. Set aside. Let's get our batters separated off. This is feeling kind of warm, so I think we're just going to do a smidge of orange. And then it's going to be yellow. Smidgen of orange, and then the rest of the batter is going to be green. Fabulous. All right. So now we add in a fragrance. I'm just going to mix this in by hand starting off, just make sure everything goes as planned. Oh, that smells so good. Granted, I did make a coffee soap before this one. I don't know which video will come out first, but my office smells so much of coffee right now, but even with that heavy scent of coffee, I can smell this and it's definitely summertime vibes. Now my yellow is looking awfully orange. I think we'll be alright. Alright, so I think we're just going to do just a drop swirl. I think I'm going to save that last color for last. And then give it a spritz. And I'm going to let this sit for probably 48 hours because I got to get back to building my chicken coop tomorrow, because hopefully it won't be raining tomorrow. So it'll be probably 48 hours. But for you guys, it'll be after this transition. So I'll see you guys in a sec. Get the gloves on. Alright, y'all. So today is my favorite time of the day. It is soap cutting day. So let's get into this because it smells so good. Alright, pull it out the middle. I mean, I'm kind of in love with it. And even my nose is so stuffy. I've been like fighting a cold all week, but it still smells so good. And I'm kind of in love with like the pastel-y colors. I don't think I've ever done this combination of colors. Not in a crop swirl at least. But kind of digging it. So that is what I have got. And I will see y'all in the outro. So that is what I have got for you guys today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? We put out new videos every single week. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.